Hello, and welcome to, I'm just doing a little edit on this image, and some interesting things came out for me as I'm doing this, and I'm kind of still working on it. This is a work in progress, but let's take a look at what we see here, which is this wing attached to this face here, and this eye, which I'm going to put some better eye in here, and this very interesting shape around the head of this person or creature. I'm not sure what it is, but somewhat remaining on this, in this image here, is what was a coating on these wings, and most of this coating is now gone. It's flaked off, or it's been removed. What was this coating? We don't know. We don't know what this coating was, but clearly there was something here that gave it a texture that probably made it look more like feathers or like a wing. Now we can see here that the color of this rock, this wing rock, is very different to this rock right next to it here. It's a different color on the shoulder and neckline of this person. And we do see some different texture here around the head and maybe the eyebrows. I'm not sure what to do with that. We'll see how the final edit works out. And let's take a look here at this other rock on the other side. This rock back here. Boy, it doesn't look anything like the rock that's right here on this wing. So we're going to back this back out for some perspective. Here we have a little landscape. This image of this creature is probably hundreds of feet tall. And maybe some of you have already noticed that there's a second face right here. Look at this. I haven't touched this photo at all yet, but here's the chin line right here. You see his chin line, and his lips are right there. Couple of eyes. And again, the face itself here, I just want to point out that the texture is very smooth. It's a lighter color than the rock to the side here. This is probably an existing rock mountain, and then they added or shaped these faces into this. They could have added material through using some sort of rock growing technology. We don't really know what they used. They could have used a concrete, and it's just a different kind of concrete to what we're used to seeing today with it, or it's very old. But if you can't see these two faces right here, I'm sorry. Now I'm going to do a little edit here on this guy too, and you can see now the face. Pretty interesting, right? Alright, let's just pan over here. Do we see anything else? Do we see any other faces in this rock? Is there a face right here? Maybe. A little pixelated, it's tough to tell. See, this rock over here looks completely different to the two faces on the other side, even though it's on the same mountain. I'm not seeing anything there. So thank you for listening. Please, if you found this video interesting, do hit the like button, smash it, subscribe to the channel. I have more photos like this to show you and to analyze, and peace and love to you, my friends. I do see you as another version of myself in lak'ech. What do you think?